Hello, welcome back. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I will show you how to convert a video into MP3. This is the app we'll be using. It's called VTM Converter. I will leave the link to the app in the description box, so you go download the app. Let's convert a video to audio. One thing about this app is that there are ads playing in the app, so you have to deal with that. Let us convert a video to audio. This is the video we want to convert to audio. So yeah, so I like choosing the format of my video. To if I'm using it in a project, I'm using it to make the audio to make another video. I like choosing it in waveform. But if I'm using the video just for song on my phone, I'll click on MP3. Let's use MP3 because I'm not using the song on a project due to copyright issues. And mind you, there is a pro version of this app too. For the pro version, you can fade out audio and fade in audio, and you can add cover to your audio. But the one I'm using to convert the video to audio is a free version of this video converter. Once you're done, change the name if you want to change the name into what you remember it with. One good thing about this app also is that you can cut the audio into what size you want, where you want it to start and stop. Once you're done cutting and formatting into what file format you want the audio to be in, you click on convert. This ad is what you have to deal with. Let's click again. Yeah, one task is processing. Please let's play our audio. There once was a ship that put to sea. You see that? So we've converted the video into an audio. Like this video and do well to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if this worked for you. Check out this video on the screen somewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.